Two project management platforms, both claiming to simplify your workflow. But which one actually makes a difference in how you get things done? On the left, Kanbanchi, an intuitive tool built for Google Workspace users. And on the right, Freedcamp, packed with features and plenty of flexibility. We're putting both through real-world scenarios that count. Task management, collaboration, integrations, pricing, and more. Let's cut past the promotional talk and see how they stack up where it really matters. Each area scores points, and by the end, you'll have a clear winner, backed by facts. And the platform that comes out on top might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, here's the game plan for today. We've got a mind map in front of us breaking down all the categories we're going to look at. There's price, core features, integrations, user interface, mobile experience, collaboration, and of course security. Sound good? Cool, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about price. And honestly, this is a biggie for a lot of us. Kanbanchi, while it does have discounts for schools and nonprofits, offers kind of a limited free plan. If you want the core features, you're probably going to end up on a paid plan, and it's all per user, which can add up quick. Now, on the other hand, Freecamp is, unusually generous with its free tier. Seriously, you get a bunch for nothing. Upgrading, also pretty affordable. Some advanced features do cost extra, but overall, Freecamp totally takes this one. Let's chat features, because honestly, isn't that what matters most day to day? Kanbanchi gives you Kanban boards, Gantt charts, time tracking, and oh, here's something cool, really tight integration with Google Drive. The weak spots, no built-in chat, and don't expect offline miracles. Freecamp meanwhile goes the task lists and docs route. They toss in milestones, calendars, and time tracking too. The UI can get a bit busy, and sometimes syncing is, well, not instant. Overall, I'd say it's pretty much neck and neck here, both strong, but focused differently. Now, integrations. Kanbanchi literally lives for Google Workspace. It's got deep connections with Google Drive, Calendar, even Slack. So if you're on Google everything, it just feels seamless. If you're not, meh, probably less ideal. Freecamp covers more ground with things like Zapier, Dropbox, Google Drive, but honestly, you don't get the same real-time vibe, and some integrations are only on the higher plans. This round goes to Kanbanchi. Just such a smooth fit if you're a Google household. Quick fun fact, because I always love these, did you know Kanbanchi actually started out as a Google Apps script project back in 2014? For real, not many tools have Google in their DNA quite like this one. User interface time. Kanbanchi is all about that clean, minimalist, Kanban first vibe. Super easy to get started, it's not flashy, but honestly, that's kind of refreshing. Downsides? You can't get too crazy with custom views. Freecamp is like the opposite. It's highly customizable with more views than you'll ever need. But there's a bit of a learning curve, and sometimes the dashboard feels, cluttered. In my honest opinion, Kanbanchi just feels snappier and more usable day one, so this one goes to them. Mobile experience. Okay, so this one's an easy contrast. Kanbanchi is fine on your phone's browser, but there's no dedicated mobile app. If you live on mobile or love app notifications, that's a miss. Freecamp has solid native apps for both iOS and Android plus push notifications. Not every feature is there, but if you need stuff on the go, Freecamp's the winner without question. Collaboration. Kanbanchi? It's smooth if your whole team is on Google, and it's got activity tracking for days, but no real-time chat or hardcore collaboration features. Definitely feels best for small teams. Freecamp ramps it up, role assignments, project discussions, even a kind of lightweight project wiki, plus guest accounts. It's got those. Comments can bury stuff if you're not careful, but the collaboration vibe is just way more robust. Freecamp easily wins here. Security-wise, both are pretty solid. Kanbanchi runs everything through Google's cloud. There's two-factor authentication, but if you want enterprise SSO, you're paying extra. Freecamp brings encryption, GDPR compliance, admin controls, all good stuff. Some controls are locked behind paywalls, but overall, both are ticking the right boxes, so I'm calling this a tie. Let's do a quick side-by-side. Here's a radar chart so you can see visually where each tool spikes in strengths. Price and collaboration is Freecamp's territory, but look at integrations and ease of use. Kanbanchi is killing it there. It's all about your priorities. Alright, so here's my take. If your squad practically lives in Google Workspace and you want a clean Kanban-style workflow, Kanbanchi just feels right. But if you want the most for free, plus a classic project management vibe and more collaboration tools, Freecamp should be at the top of your list. It all depends on your workflow, but Freecamp's the all-rounder winner for most teams. If you found this helpful, hit follow so you don't miss future app reviews. There's always more cool comparisons